Me must head big up in a rubber belly and swell. I want a girl watch me balls a swing like bell. I'm back where me a stab it out for an hour. And she say she want a back shot as well. But why you a rubber cause you not deep like well. Come here make me slam you like a jail cell. Remember me slapping at the trap house, girl. I want a girl say if she not get she a go tell. Bumbuckler me full of eye like shell. Me love fornicate but me nah go a hell. Rebel say me cocky sweet like caramel and oh me say fuck I must fuck me a sell. Don't mix me up like weak fence intense. Me cocky not soft like styling gel. Cocky with the vein you a get you and your friend. Bust up your pussy like a hostel. What? Hear me, man? The world, it's not a plan. Watch you are going. Carefully think. A franchise, the choosing one, the 10-star general. You know when I come to represent, you know a full effect thing. You know it go already. When I aim up, load up, crank up, drop necessary equipment and sound the big thing them. You know a loud explosion about you. Watch me, man. Or the people's champion. Oh, you mean? Hey, yo, a Gaza favorite. Most definitely. Yo, watch me, man. The most electrifying man for YouTube entertainment business. What? Right about now in a Gaza nation. Me no know if you don't see it, you know. I don't know if you don't look on the world boss thing, you know. And she said the man post up, you know. Or whosoever around the page, you know. I don't know if you don't see them post up the cover art, you know. Yeah, fast in my personal business here a minute. You see me? Yeah. You don't know if you don't see on the world boss thing, you know. I'm saying if you don't see them post up savage cover art. So that means Gaza Nation will go over there go support the youths and cause here what the man this song when him drop for intense. Bad! You see what I deal with? So right now, my sister, them not answer savage, nor them not answer sicker rhyme. So that mean you can't see the alkaline a training because the only person him want for call him name or even throw this song off him a Vybz Kartel or the Six. You see what I deal with? Yeah. And them people him want for bring him over to another level. Because I know him not transformed yet. You see what I deal with because I want to know, you know. Remember when Massacre come in and sting up the place, you know. And the man them say, well then the youth now and the melody, you know. And the youth, you know, do him homework, you know. Right now if you check Massacre, you know, the song them Massacre sing, you know, my virgin. And then look a hype song, you know. Let me tell you something, you know, concrete song, you know, if you structure in a dancehall, you know. Like concrete and steel, you know. Them type of song that the youth are jumping, you know. Remember the same thing when it's about Rising King, you know. When them boss, you know. And you see the type of song them where I do right now, even before the youth get even shot. You see what I deal with? Yo, don't tell you, you know, 2001 I go check him out, you know, and see if I the same crap him I go on with because right now him have the people them ears. I mean I see like him I make no growth in a transition or music where I deliver. I the same look a hype flighty thing him dep on. And I know that now go can hold out dancehall and no gimmicks thing. You see what I deal with? Yeah. I go look at it. You know say me not easy. High grade me smoke, me not bun beady. Yeah man, it come like when you're there yard and you watch all a show. You go to you watch all a show and see the man them go through some local alley. Yeah man, I see him thing man. No lollipop thing man. The general the 10-star one I represent, you know, a full effect thing when I represent. You know the thing go already man. You see what I say? Real way. Gaza way, there ain't no other way. And I say, yeah, I forgot to make that transition there. You see what I deal with? I met the people them say all the hype on a chat up on the mouth. I be a fool in this and I go on with.
Yeah, you understand me? Because every minute me have to go in my pocket to keep on. Shit is fucking annoying, cuz.
So I'm not dealing with gimmicks thing.
I don't want no fun though.
See Gaza Nation. I live in fire, me and tell you about. You know what I mean? Fire, not joke shit. Real fire. So I'm not dealing with that my come here. Yo. Linking of fire. Watch. Yeah. You know me I say. So, him no want challenge Savage. Nah sick or rhyme. Let me ask you something. So who want to challenge him? Because I notice you not go like you not eat that or you not go like you not dancehall clown. Talk the truth no man, this man can't challenge the world boss. Well the world boss must challenge himself. What kind of answer him have for the world boss when the world boss drop him scientific lyrics them and them lyrics them were out of space. We have to go run to Google and all them shit if you know where. Where am I come with? Where am I come with? Where am I gonna come with? Annie Palmer, this the man baby mother, suck mother, push all this, that. That him I come with. Yo, no understand on yourself, man. I know what I do, man. You see what I deal with? Because all of them there chat a be a gimmicks thing me soon I go with. And some man I go like them afraid for make you know what I go on. Yo! Let me tell you something, dog. If MVP, Zin, if MVP couldn't take over, how the fuck you think them look at you they're gonna come take over? If MVP with big giant Movado, Zin and Jamil, plus Fishko line himself, you see what I deal with? And G-Gun him Batman brother, and them couldn't take over. Them look at you they're gonna take over. Eh? Oh, them are gonna take over with what? What them gonna take over with what? Some look at hype song and talk. Every youth will bust in a dancehall. Young youth will bust in a dancehall. Have the place like that. Him gonna have the first 2 year like that. Every young youth. You're not blind. But make certain you capitalize on that. Because a whole heap of youth come in a dancehall like that. And after that, you know, it come like a one-piece thing or them come back to a war. So just make certain you can maintain it. So all of them there are not chatting and go like say, well then, him in a class or him in a different league or whatever. No, my brother. It's not different from how Daddy One did have the place. The only reason why it look different, Daddy One never hype with it like that. And him still have the place. You see what I deal with? Javelani them never bust out with a bang. Eh? Yo. No understand on yourself, you know, because I don't kill them, you know. And when man talk, you know, say man I fight against artists, you know. Because I don't like when man talk the truth, you know. You see what I deal with? What kind of argument him have for the world boss to say he would have challenged the world boss into a lyrical confrontation? Tell me now. What kind of argument him have? And I say a handicap match that. You know blind or what? Eh? You know come like fast easy, you know see that too easy. It's just like taking candy from a baby. Eh? Eh? What not talk about? A be a gimmicks thing me soon go on with, you know. Be a lollipop thing, you know. What the man gonna challenge the man with? With what? With what? What kind of argument him have for Vybz Kartel? Tell me now. Cause it look like on a sick in on the head. We see big and him try and couldn't do it. You see him not deal with develop him supposed to have. Eh? A developing supposed to developing platform right about now. You see what I deal with? I'm concrete himself in a dancehall. You see what I deal with? Yeah man. Before you even talk about your look confrontation with the next man. You see what I deal with? And the man them who you look confrontation done establish already. You see what I deal with? You can't go against the six them. Yo. I get a change, right? You can't go against the six them. You can't go against the six them. The reason why, you are baby to the man them. The six them have all them own label and them own studio and all them shit there. I do them own thing. That's what I deal with. Yeah. The six them have foundation. Them have producer and all of them shit there around them. You see what I deal with? Plus them have the world boss. You know what I mean? So you now can manage the six them. You know what I mean? You know in the league with them you there, you know. You know what I mean? So nobody try to follow people and think so well then. Your mouth can put you there, so you have to go put in some work to get yourself in that position there. You know what I mean? And that I see you want to, but only thing you want to use the man them for do it. You're not using music. Make your music speak for yourself. Speak itself, man. Yeah, man. Make your music speak for itself. You know what I mean? Because I see all a preview song, you know, the one that when name Iwater, you know. Claim him a preview song, you know. You see what I deal with? I soon a preview song, you know. But I just want to know, you know. Say make certain you know not Tamil you know throw over that fine. You know what I mean? Because I don't know what I'm to look at you, you know. You see me? Yeah, I don't know what I'm to know. A Tamil first come out and say that, you know. You see what I deal with? So I don't know how to come out and I say the same shit. You know what I mean? So I don't know if the man who not try shades or what, because when you look at you now, no manners, you know, so man have to check on you, know. You see what I deal with? A Tamil come out and say man the hot topic, you know. Or all of a sudden you jump in at the man shit. What you do? Same thing world boss it say, you know, no good youth, you know, look at trouble you know, you know. Let me tell you something, you know, when man annoying I look at youth, you know, them get tat up, you know. You see what I say? Yeah man. When man annoying I look at youth, man put a stoppage to that once and for all. So go on ningy in the man them ears. Because it look like you know work for a title. Mine on a stifle, you know. Remember, owner deal with, you know. A Gaza nation, you know, play with, you know. We're not supposed to glad the pandemic go on here. I'm not sure now go on here. We're not supposed to glad our dancehall set like this here, man. Eh? And it's not like one time when you open up your mouth, artists run up on you when you're there on your local show. And you have to defend yourself with your lyrics on the mic. Eh? Because now nerdy pearl, you know, you don't have no foundation in a dancehall right now, you know. But the hype you have a go on phone, you know. And instead, you know, you look upon what go on, you know, and try to capitalize because you have the people them are listen to you, you know, and bring yourself on a level where you can stand up firm in a dancehall, you know, before you can even think, you know, and chat like you can go against big artists. And watch it, you know. Them no want an artist pan for them size for challenge. A big giant artist them want. And some artists will have top respect in the street. You see what I deal with? Because you don't have the respect where the six them have in the street. And it come like something like that you don't look. You don't have to go work for it, you know. It don't come so easy, you know, my brethren. Let me tell you that, you know. You know what I mean? For some man it's easy because some man roll article, you know. Yeah, but let me tell you something. You don't roll like you a giant in the street. You still roll like you flight like a little pitney. You see what I deal with? Daddy one roll like a more bigger man phone. I want to see that. Nobody even talk about sicker rhyme because the youth don't deal with nothing about class. You see me? The youth the classy, him not trashy. You see what I deal with? Youth they not too go around and a lip up their mouth and a go on like them tough, you see me? And he must stream more than Unup and Rasclad Spotify. You see me? All of them there and a chat and a go like a bigger artists, see the youth and them shit there. You see me? That mean the man music or sell. People are buy the man music. And you can chat all of them want about the world boss. Watch. Of course. When you don't know the world boss first class, watch the general 10 star. Watch.